Looking for the best quarter-inch impact driver? We tested top-rated models to find the most powerful, compact, and budget-friendly options. Whether you need a quarter-inch impact driver set or a reliable quarter-inch impact wrench, this guide reveals the winners that professionals and DIYers across America trust most today. Number 1. DEWALT DCF 845B Quarter-Inch Impact Driver. The DEWALT DCF 845B quarter-inch impact driver is built for users who need serious power in a compact, easy-to-handle tool. Designed with a high-performance brushless motor, it delivers up to 1,825 inch-libs of torque and 3,400 RPM, making tough fastening jobs feel quicker and more efficient. From driving large screws to handling demanding projects, this tool is made to perform. What makes it even more practical is the 3-speed setting and variable speed trigger, giving users better control for both delicate and heavy-duty tasks. Whether working on cabinetry or tackling construction projects, switching speeds helps match the power to the job. Working in dim spaces? No problem. The built-in 3 LED work light helps brighten tight or low-light areas, improving visibility and accuracy. Plus, the compact, lightweight design makes it easier to maneuver in confined spaces while reducing fatigue during longer jobs. It's also Tool Connect chip-ready for easy tracking and management, chips sold separately. Backed by a 3-year limited warranty, the DEWALT DCF 845B delivers reliability, control, and professional-level performance. Number 2. AKM 1/4-inch Impact Driver. The AKM 1/4-inch impact driver is built for those frustrating moments when screws refuse to budge. Designed to handle stubborn, rusted, or over-tightened fasteners, this tool makes repair jobs smoother and less stressful. Whether working on motorcycles, bikes, or general automotive repairs, it delivers the extra force needed to get the job done. The 1/4-inch receiver adds versatility, allowing users to quickly swap between different bit tips and hex nut drivers. It also comes equipped with S2 high-alloy steel impact-grade bits, designed with precision-milled tips for a secure fit and improved durability. Comfort and control are just as important, and the non-slip knurled grip helps maintain a firm hold during tough applications. Meanwhile, the corrosion-resistant chrome-plated finish adds durability and keeps the tool looking reliable even after repeated use. With multiple Phillips, slotted, hex, and Torx bits included, this set is ready for a wide range of tasks. The AKM 1/4-inch impact driver offers dependable performance. Number 3. SKIL ID 6739B10 1/4-inch impact driver. The SKIL ID 6739B10 1/4-inch impact driver packs serious power into a compact, easy-to-handle design. Whether renovating kitchen cabinets, building a backyard swing set, or tackling tough fastening jobs, this impact driver makes every project feel smoother and faster. Its digital brushless motor delivers up to 1,800 inch-pounds of torque, easily driving screws through thick wood and dense materials without breaking a sweat. Changing bits is a breeze thanks to the one-handed collet, while the 3-speed selection and variable speed trigger put precise control at your fingertips, perfect for delicate tasks or full-power driving. The smart control mode helps prevent cam-out and cross-threading, keeping screws straight and materials safe. Working in dim spaces, the halo light shines bright, up to 5 times more than regular LEDs, so shadows won't slow you down. Add PWR Core 20 battery tech for longer runtime, faster charging, and double the battery life, and you've got a compact impact driver that's ready for anything that job throws its way. Number 4. Flex FX 1331-1A 1/4-inch impact driver. The Flex FX 1331-1A 1/4-inch impact driver is all about big power in a small, lightweight package. Designed for electricians, HVAC pros, and DIYers who work in tight spots, this compact tool makes tough fastening jobs feel effortless. Its 24-volt brushless motor packs 1,700 inch-libs of torque, cutting through screws and bolts without breaking a sweat. Control is a breeze thanks to 2 speed modes, while the clever self-tapping screw mode prevents over-tightening, stripping, or breaking screws, perfect for metal framing or delicate tech projects. Despite its small size, this impact driver can drive up to 350 3-inch screws into 2x4 lumber on a single 2.5 amp-hour battery, giving users serious runtime without constant recharging. The kit comes ready to go with the driver, 2.5 amp-hour battery, and 160-watt fast charger, offering quick power anytime, anywhere. Backed by Flex's 5-year limited warranty, the FX1331-1A delivers lightweight, reliable, and professional-grade performance, perfect for tackling every job with speed and precision. Number 5. EESII 1/4-inch Impact Driver. The EESII 1/4-inch impact driver proves that good things really do come in small packages. Weighing just 0.74 kilograms, it's ultra-light and easy to handle, making tight corners, overhead jobs, and long projects a breeze. Don't let its size fool you. This little driver packs up to 150 Newton-meters of torque and offers 3 adjustable torque settings, 70, 110, 150, to tackle anything from simple DIY tasks to heavy-duty furniture assembly, woodworking, and even car repairs. Its brushless motor runs quieter, lasts longer, and delivers efficient power without disturbing the household or neighbors. Switching bits is fast and simple with the 1/4-inch hex quick change chuck, so you spend more time driving screws and less time fumbling with tools. With 2,000 mAh batteries for non-stop work, a handy built-in LED light for dark spots, and 3 speed options for ultimate control, this impact driver is ready for anything. The kit comes loaded with premium bits, a magnetic socket set, drill bits, and a durable carrying bag, perfect for home projects, woodworking, or professional use. Thanks for watching our best 1/4-inch impact driver roundup. Check links below for the top 1/4-inch impact driver set and dependable 1/4-inch impact wrench options. Like, subscribe, and comment your favorite. Stay tuned for more tool reviews designed to help American buyers choose smarter, faster, every single time.